If Google Chrome is showing an unknown security warning, don't panic. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes that can solve it in just a few minutes. We'll force Chrome to update manually, check your computer's date and time, clear your cache and cookies, and remove any untrusted extensions that might be causing the problem. These steps are simple, safe, and very effective for fixing common Chrome security issues. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, we'll force Chrome to update manually. Even though Chrome usually updates in the background, sometimes it can fall behind by a few days, and that can leave security fixes waiting to be installed. Open Google Chrome on your computer, then click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the window. From the menu, hover over Help near the bottom, then click About Google Chrome. Chrome will instantly perform a live update check. If a security update is available, it will start downloading automatically. Once the download is finished, you should see a relaunch button appear. Click that button to restart Chrome and apply the update. This alone often fixes unknown security warnings right away. If the warning is still there, the next thing to check is your date and time. An incorrect system clock is one of the most common reasons Chrome shows SSL certificate errors or security mismatch warnings. To fix this, right-click the clock on your taskbar. Then click Adjust Date and Time. Make sure Set Time automatically is turned on. After that, click Sync Now so your device refreshes the current time from the internet. Once that's done, reopen Chrome and check the website again. A wrong clock can break secure connections, so this step is very important. Now let's clear the browser cache and cookies. Over time, corrupted temporary files can trigger security alerts and cause websites to behave strangely. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and Delete. A clear browsing data window will open. Set the time range to All Time. Then check cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Once those boxes are selected, click Delete Data. After the cleanup finishes, restart Chrome and try the site again. This can remove old broken data that's interfering with secure browsing. Next, check your extensions. Sometimes a bad or untrusted extension can hijack Chrome settings or interfere with website security. To review them, click the three dots in the top right corner, then go to Extensions and choose Manage Extensions. Look through the list carefully. If you see anything you don't trust, don't recognize, or no longer use, disable it first or remove it completely. If the security warning disappears after removing an extension, then you found the cause. It's always a good idea to keep only the extensions you actually need. If you've gone through all four steps and the problem is still not fixed, restart your computer and open Chrome again. In many cases, the combination of updating Chrome, syncing the time, clearing old data, and cleaning up extensions will solve the issue. These are the most common solutions for Chrome security warnings, certificate problems, and unknown browser security errors. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.